Start. Sir, I thank you for allowing me to participate in this debate. Stop. Firstly, I support the grants allotted to this ministry. Stop. I personally feel the allotment is less as the ministry and the government are going in for the new education policy wherein culture, education and sports have been clubbed together. Stop. It is a very big step for the government, and I personally feel that some more time should have been spent on assessing the whole structure and the results before actually putting it into practice. Stop. Sir, there are two major things which have affected our education, and that is the rural and the urban people have to be separated. Stop. They have different standards of living. Stop. It is one crux of the problem, and the gap has to be bridged so that the youth living in the rural areas have equal opportunity, equal standing along with the urban youth and society. Stop. Secondly, educational institutions like any other institution should have autonomy for achieving better standard. Stop. Whenever there is competition, there is always an attempt to do better. Stop. For that reason, to improve the educational system, to improve better educational facilities, it would be advisable to give more powers to these institutions so that they compete with each other for better results. Stop. Further, the role of the government should be that of an observer and not an active participant as it has now been. Stop. Sir, there is too much of involvement, political involvement, which hinders the development of the institutions and also the educational system. Stop. The national education policy was adopted in 1986. Stop. Unfortunately, we have been having drought for the last 3 years. Stop. In spite of that, I very strongly feel that the allocation of funds for education should not have been cut. Stop. For the education is a very important factor for a developing country like ours, especially where there is too much illiteracy, and for development it is very essential that a new awakening among the masses, especially among the backward people, the uneducated people, is important. Stop. For that reason, the allocation, as I said earlier, is not enough. Stop. It should not have been cut either. Stop. I now come over to culture, where I want to say a few words. Stop. I was referring to the dictionary to find out exactly what culture means. Stop. It means trained and refined state of the understanding and manners and etiquette. Stop.